Hello, my name is Akshat. This is the project I've been working on for the past month, and it mainly focuses on UN sustainability goals 4, 14, and 15. With these three goals being focused on education for life underwater and on land. This also allows citizens and students to contribute to data collection and protection of the environment. So, this is my code which I've been working on for a while, and this is my bot, the bot I've made, Community Pollution Monitor. So let's report something. So it has opened the ticket for craft station, that's me. So what's the nature of the sighting? Let's assume that we found some plastic waste on the side of the road. Say my name was John, and the date we found it was this. Then the address of the sighting. Yep, so that's it. So after this, we can just close the ticket. And if we were to open the file that's supposed to save to, it should show all the data we've inputted in. So this can be applied to a wider scale as well because it allows more than one set of data. So since the bot is still running, it should keep the other data as well. So if I were to report something else, yep, so that's it. Once we close the ticket and then open the file, all the data is still there. So by storing all this into an Excel sheet, we allow data analytics researchers and policymakers to analyze these data. Maybe they can analyze the time and place where these happen, so they can predict where or when these could happen again. And also, they could use this data to educate schools and the general public. So what I want to finally say is that this robot I've made is not perfect. What I initially wanted to make was an app, but I figured that would take way too long and way too much effort. So I made something slightly simple, but it serves the entire purpose. So, and to make this mod better, I feel like I could also add a function that could that could ask the user to add a picture so that we could provide more data for the data analysis to find. So that's all I needed to say, and thanks for listening.